The Deputy Prime Minister, Toelupe Bombulinuku Onesemo, has resigned following the election court's decision last week, 24th of March 2026, that voided his seats for the Falealili No. 1 constituency. Toelupe announced his resignation in a media conference at 3 p.m. after tendering his resignation with the Prime Minister and Cabinet on Monday morning, 30th of March 2026. Toelupe stated his decision to resign is to protect the integrity of the government and cabinet and its decision-making process. However, he is pursuing two legal challenges based on constitutional grounds, and secondly, the electoral court's decision that voided his seats until the legal challenges are dealt with. The electoral court ruled that Toelupe was guilty of bribery over a claim that $150 was given to a couple who could not be found to present their evidence in court. A second-time Member of Parliament, Toelupe led the FAST government together with the Minister of Finance, Mulipola Anarosa Alemolio, in tabling and passing the FAST government's first budget in 2025 to 2026, as the Prime Minister was away in New Zealand on medical leave for 8 weeks from September to November 2025. Prime Minister Laulia Malietole Wateapolata Ibalfosi Schmidt said voiding Toelupe's seats is a major loss to him and government, especially as Deputy Prime Minister carrying the major works and infrastructure portfolio. He said the Speaker of Parliament will be duly informed of Toelupe's resignation. For more details on this and other of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Ginny Benehuro of Talamore Media.